All right, so we got a repair here on a drain line that got damaged. The trees got planted here for a client, so we're going to get this opened up and get this line fixed. I think they wrapped it with some plastic to keep the dirt from going in there. The PVC, Jeff, was coming off this gutter right there. Here? It came right through here, okay. This angle. And it came out here, and then it wide into a piece on the back side here. This came out this way, and we came over wide into it. So it came right through here.
Okay. Right here.
Yeah, he's got it. Got it, Jeff? Okay. We just cracked it on the top. They didn't have any PVC. Landscapers didn't have any PVC, so I told them we would get it fixed up for them. They damaged it planting these trees in here. Trees look a whole lot better. Cutting out a bad piece of pipe that's damaged.
Yeah.
We'll cut her out of there. Put some couplings onto it.
Yeah, 2 coupling and 10 feet for 4-inch PVC.
Uh-huh.
De este lado, ¿ves?
Quiere acabar la copa, ¿sabes dónde llega?
You need a new blade, Mr. Jeff.
Yeah.
Gotta get your new blade.
That's new.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wears that pretty quick.
I can use 2 times.
2 times it wore out. Well, it gets the soil on it there too, you know? Come on, Josh, stop playing around. Let's go. Give Josh all kind of heck.
What are you thinking?
¿Sabía?
No, está pegado, como era pegado. ¿Lo abren?
¿Lo abriste?
Ah, no, hasta me corté, mira, todo. Me fue rapidito.
No es fácil agarrarlo ahí. ¿Se pasa?
Sí, se pasa.
Espérate, bajarlo, perfecto. Pero
ahí
se puede empujarlo, ¿sabes? No se puede.
No se puede. Todavía, mira, porque queda casi todo el cople completo.
Entonces hay que quitar los pedacitos.
Otro pedacito como por aquí,
Espérate,
ve.
voy a medir aquí donde va. Es que lo que pasa es que soltar. Es que ya está pegado el cople, vamos.
Sí, ya está pegado. ¿Cómo ya lo pegó?
Espérate.
Pero ahí está. ¿Lo empuja?
Espérate, vamos a quitar otro pedazo.
Sí.
La copa la ponemos por
Okay.
More?
No, man. Por aquí. Espérate, espérate.
¿Ya?
Da guachar a este porque resbale más.
Ok.
Un poquitito.
Sí.
Ahí déjalo.
Looks beautiful.
Claro,
I looked for the rubber boots, but we didn't have any at the shop, so it would have been a lot easier.
Okay, so that saves me money today, so I don't have to pay you since you didn't finish the job.
No, I finished, sir.
Oh, I thought you said you didn't finish. Oh, you finished both of them. Excellent.
I finished. Yes, sir.
All right, buddy. See you now. You do the same. Bye-bye. We just got this drainage repair fixed, put back together. Guys, finish this up. We're heading to another job site. We'll talk to you guys soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.